Only one is a wanderer. Two together are always going somewhere.